Linking your bank to Pachyderm is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more efficiently. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Create a Pachyderm account. Visit the Pachyderm website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a secure password. Step 2. Navigate to the bank linking section. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select your bank. In the bank linking section, you will see a list of supported banks. Search for your bank by name or browse through the list. Click on your bank to proceed. Step 4. Enter your bank credentials. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information, which may include your account number and routing number. Ensure that the information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the link or save button to complete the process. You may receive a verification email or notification to finalize the linking. Now that you have successfully linked your bank account to Pachyderm, you can enjoy seamless financial management. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section or customer support for assistance.